noticed how the sky is a pretty busy place? It's estimated that there's over 20,000 planes flying around at any one time. So you don't normally have to watch for long before you'll see a plane overhead. But there's also much more going on up there than you might realise. Most large aircraft you can see aren't travelling much higher than about 35,000 feet. That's about 10 kilometres. But there's plenty of other objects flying around thousands of kilometres above the Earth. They're called satellites. A satellite is an object that orbits another object. Our moon is a satellite, and the Earth itself is a satellite of the Sun. And then there's the artificial satellites that we've placed in orbit around the Earth. It's estimated that there are over 3,600 artificial satellites in orbit, of which around 1,000 are operational. The rest are just floating around, having done their work. Approximately 500 of these operational satellites are in low Earth orbit. That means they are up to 2,000 kilometres above the Earth. 50 are in medium Earth orbit, around 20,000 kilometres away, while the rest are in geostationary orbit, around 36,000 kilometres. The very first artificial satellite was called Sputnik 1 and was sent into space in 1957 for science, communications and navigation. Each satellite carries a unique set of instruments or technology relevant to the mission. A communication satellite will need large antennas to receive and transmit television and telephone signals to Earth, while a disaster monitoring satellite will have cameras to take photographs of the land below. To work properly, most satellites need to stay in the same orbit. This is achieved through a combination of speed and the gravitational pull between the Earth and the satellite.
Satellite communication. A body moving in an orbit around a planet is called a satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Artificial satellites are launched from the Earth for communication purpose and weather monitoring. These artificial satellites also orbit around the Earth in their own orbit. Let's see how the signals are transformed. After the artificial satellite is put into its orbit around the Earth, it starts to function. The signals are transferred to the satellite using the transmitter or uplink, and the satellite transforms the signal to the receiver or downlink. The time period for one complete orbital motion of an artificial satellite is equal to the time period of the Earth's one complete rotation.